we are going to go to the park today to fly our amazing drone, which is in here.
I've got some footage of what happened last time we tried to fly a drone. We can play that in this video. Let's have a look at that. What are we doing?
We will be able to fly the drone up into the sky, and hopefully we will be able to see a mighty view. So what we'll do is, he'll test it, fly it right up into the air, and he'll bring it back down. And the best guy in the world will get to fly it. That's me. Is it okay? Can I fly it now?
This thing is trimming.
Do a loop. I can't see it. Can you see it? Oh, seriously, guys. Oh no!
Oh God!
Just disappeared.
One eternity later.
Okay, we've got to cross this little boundary. Come on, I thought you were from a farm. You know how to deal with a bit of mud. Don't fall over in it though. Getting the drone out.
Oh my god.
This is the Parrot Bepob.
That's good. How long does the batteries last for?
About 10 minutes each. Right,
So
this
we'll
is
be
the
here
controller. I'm going to put it here. So
What the hell?
Careful you don't kick it over.
Is that your iPad?
Yeah, it's my iPad mini.
What the hell? That is so big.
Then it's got this bit as well, which goes on top. This is the aerial.
Cool.
United Kingdom. Okay. Right, that's it. You can see the picture from the drone. Please collaborate to your drone. This way. Then it wants to turn it around this way. Then it wants us to turn it around this way. It's got a GPS lock. Battery's good here, range is good there. Hold it up.
Wait, how much does it show you on how much feet you're going?
It will do. So let's get it up. Hold on to it. It's quite heavy, remember. Now.
Is that ready?
Now, wait, press that one. Yep, that's it. There it goes. Drone's back in its box. No crashes.
No.
No one got hurt.
No.
No one died.
No.
We did quite a good lot of flying. It started to snow, so I reckon there's going to be some snow on the lens. And to be honest, it's such a rocky day.
But
I don't think the pictures are going to look that great. But we still flew it.